Hello everyone. Now we will start the topic functions. So in this function, we'll discuss what is the definition of a function and what are its types. Okay, and binary operations also include in this topic only functions. Okay, that concept, and we will do some practical problems for the types of functions and a problem based on the functions and also binary operations. Okay, let us discuss one by one. So when it comes to the definition of a function, if A and B are any two sets, okay, if A and B are any two sets, then a function from set A to set B is a relation. Okay, we all know that function is also a type of a relation. Okay, now the function from set A to set B is a relation between A and B which satisfies two properties. Okay, when we will consider that relation as a function means if it satisfies two properties. What are those two properties? Let us see. Every element in A is related to some element in B. That is the first property. Every element in A is related to some element in B. Next one. No element in A is related to more than one element in B. Okay. If the relation satisfies these two properties, then we will consider it as a function. I will give an example. You see. Okay, here we have 1, 2, and here we have 3, 4, 5. 1 maps to 3, okay, and then again, for example, 2 maps to 3 and then. So what is the first property? Every element of A is related to some element in B. Okay, every element of A is related to some element in B, right or not? This is set A and this is set B. Next, what is second property? No element in A is related to more than one element in B. Only two elements we have, so those are not related to more than one element. This is related to only one element, and this is also related to one element. So this is the one of the example of a function. Next, in that function, when we discuss about types of functions, these two are very important. One is one function, another one is onto function. Now when it comes to one function, a function f from x tends to y is said to be 1 or injective. See, in most of the cases they won't ask like 1, they will consider as injective only. Injective is also nothing but one function only. No need to confuse. Okay. Now here the one function is nothing but if the images of distinct elements of x under f are distinct, that we will consider as for every x1 comma x2 belongs to x is nothing but first set. That is condition f of x1 equal to f of x2. That means x1 is equal to x2. This function satisfy agidre adu one function. See, one function ge innondu condition ide. If f of x1 not equal to f of x2, then x1 not equal to x2. Error cases ali, if anything satisfies means that is we will consider as 1. See here, if you observe, both should be equal or both should be not equal. If one is equal, another one not equal, or first one not equal, another one equal means there is not one function. Next, when it comes to onto function, a function f from x tends to y is said to be onto, okay, is said to be onto or surject to. Here onto function we can also call as surject to or surjection. So that is if every element of y is the image of some element of x under f, that we will consider as for every y belongs to y, there exists an element x in x such that f of x is equal to y. See, simply onto function ge another simple definition, if range of the function is equal to codomain, then that function will consider as onto function. See, another function that is bisective. See, bisective andre nimellargu gotte irutte. Bisective andre a function which satisfies both 1 and also onto is considered as bisective. So that is both 1 and onto will consider as bisective function. Bisective we can call, otherwise bijection also we can call. Next, when it comes to binary operations, so very important topic in functions. So it is a very underrated topic. So you won't practice much when it comes to binary operations, but this is very important topic. You may get the questions from this only. See, binary operation. A binary operation. See, already I have learned the definition for 1 mark in your PU concepts. Okay. Once again we will discuss a binary operation star on set A is a function. Binary operation is also a function. Okay, that is star from A cross A tends to A. It is denoted by A star B. So in this we have some properties. Those are commutative, associative, identity and inverse. So here in competitive examinations, the questions are not based on binary operations. The questions are based on these 4 properties. Those are commutative property, which means A star B is equal to B star A. This equal agidre we will consider as commutative. If A star B star C is equal to A star B star C, then that will consider as associative. So these two are very important, guys. Identity and inverse. Say identity is A star E is equal to A, and then which is should be equal to E star A. Remember this property. A star E is equal to A is equal to A is equal to E star A. Next, inverse. A star B is equal to E. It should be equal to B star A. See, remember guys, before finding inverse, first you need to find the E value. Nothing but identity value you need to find. Inverse find out madbekandre first identity element find out madbeki. So from that we can find the inverse. But these are the 2 properties, remember. Now we will start the problems. See, some of the important shortcut formulas. I have already done the video based on the functions which is related to KCRT. In that video I have mentioned in the description. See, after watching this present video you can watch that also. In that all the shortcut formulas for number of functions, number of 1-1 functions, number of 1-2 functions, number of binary functions, okay, binary operations, okay, number of functions from A to B and andre eshtu irutte, B to A eshtu irutte. Okay, so many shortcut formulas I have written and mentioned in that video. Okay, please watch that also. Now we'll start with some of the examples. Okay, first of all, example number 1. Let A be a set containing 10 distinct elements. Let A be a set containing 10 distinct elements. Then the total number of distinct functions from A to B. So idikke on the shortcut ide. See, remember, if n of A is equal to m elements, okay, and n of B is equal to n, then number of functions formula, okay, number of functions formula from A to B, okay, from A to B is n power m. N andrenu number of elements in second set, m andrenu number of elements in first set. Okay, as the given set A containing 10, that means n of A is to, that is m is equal to is to 10, n of B is to n of B n, which is equal to, see, and set B also 10 only, okay, set B also 10 elements. Okay, I forgot to write the question. See, let A be a set containing 10 distinct elements, that means m is equal to 10, B value n, that also 10 elements. Then what is the formula for number of functions from A to B is n power m. N power m, nothing but 10 to the power of 10. So this is the answer. Number of distinct functions andre formula n to the power of m, where m is number of elements in A, n is number of elements in B. So this is the shortcut. Now the second question. The total number of injections from A1, A2, A3, A4, these are 4 elements in first set, to B1, B2, B3, B4, B5, B6, B7. So these are the 7 elements in second set. Now they are asking total number of injections. Okay, total number of injections. We know that injections are nothing but 1-1 functions, right? 1-1 functions. We know that, see, this is also a shortcut formula. If n of A is equal to m, n of B is equal to n, small n, then total number of 1-1 functions. Total number of 1-1 functions, or we can call as injections, that is equal to npm formula. Okay, npm. See, as the given, see, n of A is equal to 4 elements given, n of B is equal to 7 elements given. This is m value, this is n value. Therefore npm is the formula for total number of injections. So that is 7p4. We know how to simplify 7p4. 7 into 5 into 7 into 6 into 5 into 4, which is 5 4s 20, 26, 120, 127, which is equal to 840. So this is option D. So for this question, the total number of injections, the value is D. Okay, we'll go to next question. Next question number 3. Set A contains 3 elements set A contains 3 elements, nothing but n of A is equal to 3, and set B contains 2 elements. Then the number of onto functions. Okay, see previously first question is based on number of functions. Okay, a second question is based on number of 1 functions. Now the third question we are doing, that is based on number of onto functions. Number of onto functions, if n of B is equal to 2, okay, that is 2 power n minus 2. Okay, this is the formula you need to remember based on the number of functions in second set. If the number of functions in second set is 1, then the formula will be 2 power n minus 1. Remember, if the number of elements in second set is 2, means it will be 2 power n minus 2. Only the questions they will ask based on these two only. It may be n of B is equal to 1 or n of B is equal to 2. Remember this shortcut. So as it is 2 power n minus 2. So here n, what is n here represents? What is n represents is n is equal to n of A, not n of B. Okay. So here as n of A is equal to 3, that means this is the value of n. So the formula will be 2 power n minus 2, which means 2 cube minus 2, 8 minus, okay, 8 minus 2, which is equal to 6. Hope you understood. So next, the question number 4. If n of A is equal to 4, n of B is equal to 5, then number of all possible many one functions. All possible many one functions. You know that many one functions are nothing but not one functions. Many one functions are nothing but not one functions. So here to find number of many one functions, what we will do is, okay, number of many one functions. Number of many one functions is equal to number of total number of functions. Total number of functions minus number of one functions. Right or not? See, to find many one function, total number of functions minus number of one functions. See, already we have simplified how to find total number of functions, that is formula n to the power of m minus number of one functions formula, that also we have find, that is npm. Here what is n, what is m means n of A will represent as small m, which is equal to 4. N of B, which is will represent with small n, which is equal to 5. Now we substitute the values. N power m, 5 power 4 minus 5p4. We know that 5 power 4, 5 is 25, 125, and then this is 625 minus 5p4. 5 into 4 into 3 into 2. 4 decrease, 5 decrease 4 times. 5 4s 20, 23, 60, 62 is 120. 620 minus 120, which is equal to 505. So it is option C. See, that means if you can remember these formulas like a number of functions, a number of one, number of onto, number of many one functions, easily we can solve the problems, right? Next, question number 5. Given set A and set B, then number of possible functions, okay, number of possible functions which are not onto functions. Here you need to observe the question carefully. Which are not onto functions they are asking, which are not onto. See, here you can remember, we know that number of onto functions. Number of onto functions formula, you know. See, previously for the question number 3 we have done, that is 2 power n minus 2. For what? For n of B is equal to 2. I told now, for if second set containing 2 elements, then the number of onto functions is 2 power n minus 2. Now what they are asking is not onto. See, from this only we can observe number of onto function means 2 power n minus 2. Number of onto function means 2 power n minus 2. What is minus 2 here? Minus 2 means not onto functions. That is only now. Number of onto function means 2 power n minus 2. So in this 2 power n, if we delete these two functions, then we will get number of onto functions. Then these two are nothing but not onto functions. That means the value is equal to 2. Right? Next. If capital A is 1, 2, 3, 4 and capital B is 1 2 3 4 5 6 are two sets. Okay na? Okay, two sets kottidare. First set eno, set A will consider as 1 2 3 4 and set B given here is 1 2 3 4 5 6. So here function also given. What is that? F of x equal to x plus 2. So which is nothing but y only. Andre x values ಈಗ substitute ಮಾಡಿ. X 1 ಆಗಿದ್ರೆ 1 plus 2 3. 1 maps to 3, 2 maps to 4, 3 maps to 5 and 4 maps to 6. So now they are asking then the function is. Okay, then the function is. First onto function. Onto function andre ಏನು? Every element in set B should have some image in, some pre-image in that set A. So but 2 does not have any pre-image, 1 does not have any pre-image. So it is not onto. Next 1 1. Okay, 1 1 andre enu? Every element in A should have unique images like 1 maps to 3, 2 maps to 4, 3 maps to 5, 4 maps. It is 1 1. Next bisective agutta? As it is 1 1 but not onto, it is not bisective. Many 1 andre enu? All should be mapped to 1 elements. Okay, or more than 2 3 elements mapped to 1. Many 1 but is not many 1. It is only 1 to 1 only. So it is option C, option B, 1 1 1. Next question number 7. Let capital A is equal to R minus 3. See here, capital R minus set 3 represents, we can consider all real numbers but not 3. Here capital B is R minus of set 1. So here the function given, let f from A tends to be defined by f of x equal to x minus 2 by x minus 3. So then we need to find whether the function is bisective, 1 1 but not onto, onto but not 1 1, or none of these. Okay, when we will get none of these, if we get neither 1 1 nor onto. Okay, so first of all we will check the 1 1 function condition. You know how to check 1 1 function condition. So we will consider as f of x1 equal to f of x2. We should get x1 equal to x2. Here f of x1 andre eno? x1 minus 2 by x1 minus 3, which should be equal to x2 minus 2 by x2 minus 3. This now simplify ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. We should get x1 equal to x2 ಅಂತ. So ikkada simplify ಮಾಡಿ x1 x2 minus 3x1 ಹಂಗೆ ಇದು minus 2x2 minus into minus plus 6 which is equal to ಈ ಎರಡು multiply ಮಾಡಿ x1 into x2 x1 x2 x1 into minus 2 is minus 2x1 ಹಂಗೆ minus 3, this is minus 3x2 minus into minus plus 6. ಇವಾಗ x1 x2 ಕ್ಯಾನ್ಸಲ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, 6 6 ಕ್ಯಾನ್ಸಲ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ minus 3x1 ಇದೆ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ minus 2x1 ಇದೆ. minus 2x1 ಈ ಕಡೆ ಬಂದ್ರೆ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. minus plus 2 it is minus x1 is equal to, ಇಲ್ಲಿ minus 3x2 ಇದೆ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ plus minus 2x2 ಇದೆ. ಈ ಕಡೆ ಬಂದ್ರೆ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. So it will be minus x2. So here we got x1 equal to x2 ಅಂತ. Okay, x1 equal to x2 andre it is 1 1 anta. It is 1 1 andre here but not 1 1 anta kottidare, andre C option wrong first step alli. Next we will find onto condition. Onto andre enu? F of x is equal to y. F of x enu here? X minus 2 by x minus 3 is equal to y. Idu now simplify ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. X minus 2 equal to xy minus 3y. X terms ekkade ತಗೊಂಬನ್ನಿ, ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ we need to find x, which should be equal to f inverse of y. So x minus xy is equal to 2 minus 3y ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. So x ಕಾಮನ್ ತಗೊಂಡಿದ್ರೆ 2 minus 3y divided by 1 minus y ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. Now as per the given function, see b ಏನು r minus of set 1, it should not be 1. So here it should not be 1. Okay na? Except that one, if you substitute any number, it will satisfy. Okay na? Here x belongs to r minus of set 3 when it is y belongs to r minus of set 1. So therefore it is onto correct, 1 1 also correct. That means it is bisective. Okay, next question number 8. See, the domain of square root of x minus 3 into x minus 7 is, domain andre eno? It should take that function. See, whenever we have root idre en martivi, x minus 3 into x minus 7 should be greater than or equal to 0. Yavadadru root idre, that should be greater than or equal to 0. Now this one we can find by using linear inequalities. We have properties like x minus a into x minus b greater than or equal to 0 andre enu, less than or equal to 0 andre enu. For example, idu x minus a into x minus b less than or equal to 0 kottidre adra value a comma b anta. Okay, remember this point. If it is x minus a into x minus b less than 0 kottidre open interval a comma b, idu formula. ಅದೇ ತರ x minus a into x minus b greater than or equal to 0 ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ರೆ ಅದು ಶಾರ್ಟ್ಕಟ್ minus infinity comma a close union b to infinity. So this is the shortcut for greater than or equal to 0. ಹಂಗೆ greater than 0 ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ರೆ x minus a into x minus b greater than 0 ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ರೆ minus infinity comma a open bracket union b comma infinity. Okay, now according to this how we can write? As it is greater than or equal to 0, in this manner we need to write, that is minus infinity comma 3 close bracket union 7 comma infinity. So it represents option D. Hope you understood. See, whenever we get root idre, that should be always greater than or equal to 0. See, but here I have written less than or equal to 0. So this should be applied only when we have in this type, like x minus a into x minus b form, not like root. Root idre always we should take greater than or equal to 0. So these are the formulas only for this type, not in terms of root. Okay na? Next, if f from r tends to r defined by f of x is equal to 1 by 2 minus cos 3x for each x belongs to r, then the range of f. Okay, range of f they are asking. Range andre enu here. See, we know that cos range enu. Okay, this is minus 1 to 1. Whatever it may be, the least is minus 1, the highest is 1. So that we will substitute here. See, first minus 1 substitute marti. See, cos x range minus 1, least value minus 1. Andre cos 3x value is also minus 1 only. We should consider that only. For any cos, the range is minus 1 to 1. Now here, first I will consider minus 1. Andre enagutte 1 by 2 minus this is minus 1. Minus 1 substitute ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ minus of minus 1 which will be 1 by 2 plus 1 is 1 by 3 ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಇನ್ನೊಂದು 1 ಆಗಿದ್ರೆ 1 by 2 minus 1 which is equal to 1 by 1 is 1. So here clearly we can write the range is 1 by 3 comma 1 for 1 by 2 minus cos 3x. ಈ ತರ we can simplify easily. Next, question number 10. The number of binary operations on this set a comma b are. Here the number of binary operations. So we have a shortcut formula for number of binary operations. Okay, binary operations. For example, a set A containing n elements. N elements idre number of binary operations n power n square. Here n of a ಎಷ್ಟಿದೆ 2 elements ಇದೆ, so 2 power 2 square, so 2 power 4 which is equal to 16 is option C. See, ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗ್ತಿದೆ ಈಗ ಈ ವಿಡಿಯೋ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನಿಮಗೆ ಒಂದೊಂದು ಕ್ವೆಶ್ಚನ್ ಒಂದೊಂದು ಡಿಫರೆಂಟ್ ಶಾರ್ಟ್ಕಟ್ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ we are solving, so that you can attempt any type of question based on this. Next, the number of commutative binary operations on the set of 2 elements. See, in the above question we have discussed number of binary operations. Here these are number of commutative binary operations. See, commutative andre gottu nimge a star b equal to b star a. Ee property idu obey agidre matra you will consider as commutative. So here binary operation means in this it may come commutative or associative. Okay, all operations will be there, but here now we need to find only commutative binary operations. For that commutative binary operations we have a formula. Number of commutative binary operations is equal to n power n into n plus 1 by 2. Here also n represents this n of a, or a set contains n elements means the formula will be n to the power of n into n plus 1 by a, 1 by 2. Here n of a ಎಷ್ಟು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ರು, n of a 2 elements ಅಂತ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ರು. Then the formula will become 2 power 2 into 2 plus 1 by 2. 2 cancel, 2 plus 1 3. So 2 cube is 8 is the correct answer. So this is commutative binary operations formula. See, tara number of commutative binary operations, number of binary operations, ivella shortcuts description alli mention ಮಾಡಿ video alli ivella ನಾನು formulas ella ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದೀನಿ. ಬೇಕಿದ್ರೆ ನೋಡಿ. Next question number 12. The binary operation star is defined on the set q minus of -1 by a star b is equal to a plus b plus ab. See, now onwards from question number 12 onwards, what we are going to solve. Okay, 7 ಆಗಿದೆ, 1 ನಿಮಿಷ, 11th ಅಂಕ ಆಗಿದೆ, ಇನ್ನು question number 12. See, now what we will do, question number 12, 13 and 14, these are very important questions based on binary operations. Okay, now see, now they are asking to identify the then find the identity element. First of all, I will write what is the given operation, that is a star b equal to a plus b plus ab. See, purely you have learned that how to write operation. A star b ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ರೆ a plus b plus ab ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ರೆ ಅದೇ 1 star 2 ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ರೆ 1 plus 2 plus 1 into 2 ಈ ತರ ಬರ್ಕೋಬೇಕು. Now they are asking identity element. See, how to find identity element? We have formula, that is a star b is equal to, for identity element it is a star e is equal to a. So here e is an identity element. A star b equal to ಇದ್ರೆ a star e ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, a plus e plus ae which is equal to a. Here a cancel ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, ಈ ಕಡೆ ಹೋದ್ರೆ minus a. So ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ a ಕಾಮನ್ ತಗೊಂಡ್ರೆ 1 plus a equal to 0 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. So e equal to 0. So therefore identity element is 0, right? For that formula is a star e is equal to a. So this is the formula for identity element condition. Okay. Next, question number 13. A binary operation star is defined on Z, the set of all integers, by a star b is equal to, see again I am writing a star b is equal to a plus b minus 10. Now they are asking inverse. Before this question they are asking identity. So this is the formula. So now they are asking inverse. See, as I said in the introduction, whenever we are going to find inverse, first we need to find the identity element. Identity element ke namge gottu, this is a star is equal to a. So what is a star according to this? That is a star ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, a plus e minus 10 is equal to a. ಅಂದ್ರೆ a cancel ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, e is equal to 10. Okay, the value of e we got is 10. See, after finding e value, okay, we need to find inverse. So what is inverse condition? See, inverse condition is a star b is equal to e. Okay, a star b is equal to e. E value we know that is 10. E value 10. Now what is a star b? A star b andre a plus b minus 10. Okay, a plus b minus 10. So here now, so this is generally how we will write a star b is equal to e. Now see, after finding identity element, okay, after finding identity element, they are asking to find inverse of 5. They are asking to find inverse of 5. As it is inverse formula, formula, here b is called inverse of a or a is called inverse of b. Now we need to find inverse of 5. That means here a value will consider as that 5. So 5 plus b minus 10 is equal to 10. So 5 plus b is equal to 10 plus 10, which will be 20. That means b is equal to 15. So option C. See, if they ask inverse of 10 means a value will be 10. If they ask inverse of 15 means it will be 15. Okay. So to find inverse, just you remember, first we need to find identity element. That identity element will be this e value. Whatever they are asking to find, that will be a value, or you can consider as b value also. Question number 13, this is. Next, the last question of this session, that is question number 14. So this is the question they are given like this. In q star, okay, q plus star of positive rational number with respect to the binary operation star. Okay na? Andre idu function a to b ತರ ಇರುತ್ತಲ್ಲ, a ಅಂದ್ರೆ positive rational numbers with respect to binary operation, that is star. So given a star b equal to ab by 3. So first I am writing given condition a star b equal to ab by 3, where a comma b are q, nothing but rational numbers. The solution of the equation 5 star x is equal to 4 inverse is. Andre namge ಈಗ ಈ solution ಗೊತ್ತಾಗಬೇಕು. Okay na? So how we need to find this is, okay, according to this given question, first we will find identity element. Okay na? Identity element we will find. Why we need to find identity element is, see in this question we have inverse find out ಮಾಡಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು, ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಐಡೆಂಟಿ ಫೈಂಡ್ ಔಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, ಆಮೇಲೆ ಇನ್ವರ್ಸ್ ಫೈಂಡ್ ಔಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಐಡೆಂಟಿ ಕಂಡೀಷನ್ ಏನು, a star is equal to a. So this is the condition for identity element. Here a star e according to this ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, ae by 3 is equal to a, ಅಂದ್ರೆ a cancel, e value 3. Okay, e value 3. So this is after using identity we got e value 3. See identity ಆದ್ಮೇಲೆ ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, ಇನ್ವರ್ಸ್ ಫೈಂಡ್ ಔಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. We know inverse formula, that is a star b is equal to e. Okay, a star b is equal to 3. a star b ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, ab by 3 which is equal to e. E value ಏನು 3. So that means ab is equal to 9. Then what is b value? B value 9 by a. B andre, but we know that b andre ಏನು, a inverse ತಾನೆ. A inverse is equal to 9 by a. See whenever a star b equal to e, b is called a inverse or a is called p inverse. So b value ಬಂದಿದೆ, b ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು, a inverse ತಾನೆ. So this one we will use, this one and this one we will use here. So that is 5 star x is equal to 5 star x is equal to 4 inverse they are given. According to this a inverse andre 9 by a, 4 inverse andre ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ 9 by 4. Now given a star b formula, that is ab by 3, 5 star x ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ 5x by 3. So 3 9s is to 3 9s 27 divided by 5 4s 20. So the value of x is 27 by 20. So ee tara 4 inverse anta idre we need to find the inverse value. Okay, to find the inverse first we need to find identity, that you remember. Don't try to solve first inverse. Okay, first you find identity, that we can substitute here, so that we will get inverse value. That inverse if you substitute you will get the correct answer. So these are the some of the types of problems. So hope you are understood. So otherwise once again you practice and once again you watch the video, and once again I am telling, in the description of the video I have kept a video link which is related to KCET functions. In that so many shortcut formulas also there and tricks, and the different types of questions I have solved. Please watch that video also. Thank you for watching. Thank you. Have a nice day.